down.
You're not one of those, eh?
I am one of those. No seatbelt either, huh?
I've just got in the car. I've literally just parked.
You're not parked. Your lights are on, your car dash is on. You're in a live queue of traffic. And you obviously drove off and you just got in the car.